For removing floor tile on a budget, focus on a small set of versatile power tools that give the most leverage for the least cost. Start with a consumer-grade SDS hammer drill equipped with a pointed chisel bit for loosening adhesive and knocking up small sections of tile. Use low to mid hammer settings and let the tool do the work rather than forcing it. For larger areas, plan a short rental of a demolition hammer with a bullpoint chisel to speed removal and reduce fatigue. Time your rental for a single long day, and prepare by marking break lines in the grout so the tool follows predictable seams. An oscillating multi-tool with a rigid scraper blade is the best option for tight corners, edges along baseboard, and for removing remaining thinset after the bulk of tile is gone. Hold the blade at a shallow angle and make overlapping passes. A standard rotary hammer with chisel attachments can substitute for a demolition hammer on medium-duty surfaces. Use a wide, flat chisel for thinset and a narrower point for grout. Always use a dust mask rated for fine particles, eye protection, hearing protection, and knee pads, and shut off and unplug tools before changing bits. Work in short intervals to check the substrate for cracks or soft spots. To preserve reusable tile, lift intact pieces with a pry bar after individual tiles are loosened rather than prying under whole runs. The three common mistakes are starting without testing how tile and thinset respond to impact, which wastes energy and can damage the substrate, so always test in an out-of-the-way spot to set tool selection and force. A second mistake is using the wrong blade or chisel, which tears tile into small shards and makes cleanup harder, so match the tool profile to the task. Pointed chisels for breaking, wide flat chisels for scraping, rigid scraper blades for adhesive. The third is neglecting dust control, which creates a health hazard and clogs tools, so run a shop vacuum with a dedicated dust extraction adapter. Work wet sparingly only when suitable for the tool, and make frequent, short cleaning passes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and timelines so people can compare approaches for tile removal. We also give contractors a place to find work and bid on projects, and host a discussion community where we all trade tips, tool experiences, and realistic cost expectations.